Touch, in terms of remote experience, has been usually used in robotics. In teleoperation, for instance, you can think about slave robots touching things, manipulating objects, and master haptics interface or master devices able to present the same information to the hand, for instance, of the user, or to steer the robot remotely. But focus on the perception side. So you have a robot, a remote robot touching things, and an haptic device on the user side able to present the same kind of information. RemoTouch is a new project where two main ideas are implemented. The first one consists to substitute the remote robot, which works exactly like an avatar in a teleoperation or telepresence system, with a human avatar. So the first thing is to substitute the robotic avatar with the human avatar. The human avatar dresses a glove with force sensors and is able to record all the tactile signals along with audio and video signals. The user has tactile devices instead of haptic devices and instead of cumbersome exoskeleton. These tactile devices are very simple, and this can also be dressed by the user. And these tactile devices are able to present the same signal recorded by the human avatar. So two are the main ideas: substituting the robotic avatar with the human avatar and using simple, wearable and portable tactile display.
The human avatar dresses a glove equipped with commercial and flexible force sensors. Regarding the user, the force feedback recorded by the human avatar is presented to the user by a simple and wearable tactile display. It consists in two motors and a belt, able to deform the fingertip according to the contact force measured by the remote sensorized glove. Note that the force feedback is tactile only, and the kinesthetic feedback is missed.
Two demonstrations are presented. The first shows RemoTouch performing the experience of touching a baby. The father is far from home and wants to share the same tactile experience with the mother while she is touching their child. The context is very important here. Having a tactile interaction with their own child is extremely immersive, thus compensating for the lack of kinesthetic feedback and other lack of realism. The second experience deals with music, and more in particular with the playing and listening music. One of the important features of RemoTouch is that the involved technology is very low cost and very low energy consumption. This is mainly due to their simplicity. And of course, this is a consequence of having chosen a human subject as avatar. We do believe that new interaction paradigms can be developed starting from the RemoTouch project. Of course, the performance of the overall system has been sacrificed in exchange for the portability and wearability of the devices. But again, we do believe that this prototype will stimulate the birth of new ideas and paradigms for applications in telepresence and teleoperation.